Hello guys, shout out. I have to shout out my 53 members from Puma 33. I have to read guys because there are many. So these members all came from Puma 33. He gives me mini gift card. So I have this more than 50 members. I have to read. I am reading. Amazing Charles. Talpakix. 20 CH from Japan. Lilibet Florendo. Novea Hap Hap. Puma is his uncle. Drufi from Australia. My friend Drufi. Pana Floriana. Maya and Nox. Bisfield Bridge official from UK. Inday, you receive, say thank you to Puma, Inday. You receive membership from Puma. And hey guys, you don't need to thank you me because this is not mine. I receive only. You have to thank you to Puma, not me. Love travel music. Fishing Gray. Kuya Fishing Gray. Kalikasan Vlog. Kuya Danny Blasa. Borders Adventure. Crazy Kids 49. Marites Omblas. Max Alberti. Connie. Twin Bisong Red. Puma 33, the main channel. Nov. Evelyn Olase. Puma 33, the second channel. Mami Maritis. JTV Mix Vlog. Master Worm. HSM Yelditz. Greg Robertson. Ems Vega. Reggie Luego. So now I have to read another 20 gift card. The one that I read, it was 20. 10, 20, and then another 20. Molya CMS from Indonesia. Friend of Puma. TSSJMT. Mang Tomas. Friend of Ava Nation Official. Mekong, the youngest brother of Puma from Vietnam. Mekong again. Ana Maria Mandato. Joe and Jenny Journey. Mateo Carlon. Ava in the house. Kamti. This Kamti, the third channel of Mekong. So Mekong is very favorite of YouTube. Lolo, Google. 3. He received 3. And Georgina Lumakang, Kuya Georgina, thank you. Matit, stop, USA. Mande Amore Official. Kara Hadija from Indonesia, friend of Puma. Me and Isa. Madison Joyce. Alessandra Mucci. This is a girl, little girl. I know her 2024. Dia 6B. Alabama, USA. Friend of Ava. God SFX. And then another 3. This gift is 10 gift card, but Lolo, Googles, o YouTube give only 3. Rodelyn Amistoso, Noli Ramos MMLSO, Nicolas Stracciota. Yes, I know Nicolas last year, 2024. And then I read the latest members. Also, this one is 10 gift card, but Lolo gave only 6. Lores Cabanya, Leah DeSantis, sa wakas si Leah. Leah DeSantis is always behind. I don't know why. The Gardener, nabiyaan siya Tatino eh. This is my favorite channel. Leah DeSantis, my first channel. Pero always behind in everything. The Gardener, as I said, Arats Movers Motovlog. This is Nation Official. Balio and Pinky. Balio and Pinky, my friend from UK, old friend Balio since from the beginning. And I am happy he will be married on November 21, I think. I don't remember Balio. Fantastic. The last Fantastic ASMR. Okay, thank you very much, guys. And please support to Puma on giving thanks, something like that. So, but remember, Puma didn't ask nothing. From me. He asked only prayer. But I feel I have utang na loob. That's why he is always my priority. Utang na loob, laki ng utang na loob ako kay Puma. And then thank you very much Tesoro Amore because he adopted me. Thank you very much Tesoro mio amore. And I hope, I wish, I pray everything will be okay. From now on, and even in the future. And focus your job. Your job is important. There you have to focus, and I continue praying. And before I forgot, I shout out my daughter in Singapore. I have a daughter in Singapore. This daughter, sister of Puma, Medi, and Sitiin. Thank you very much for your loving care to your mama. Thank you. God bless you all and remain blessed.